Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you our new product, 11A Sublimation ceramic mug with plated rim and handle. It features brilliant gold handle and brim that exude a luxury air. Whether for everyday use or high-end occasions, this custom-plated coffee mug is sure to add a touch of style and luxury to the coffee time. The ceramic coffee mug features plated gold handle and brim, while the mug wall is contrasting ivory white. A flow of gold and sheen adds a touch of elegance and luxury to the mug. This sublimation plated coffee mug has been finished with our proprietary ORCA coating, which has very high stability and durability, and can produce very vibrant and lasting transfer image. After you print your photo on the mug, it will last as long as the mug does. Our ORCA-coated plated coffee mugs are surely an optimal choice for high-end hotels or restaurants to show off their brand logo. Also, they can make a very stylish holiday gift on any special occasions. Whatever purpose you use them for, our custom-plated coffee mugs are sure to impress.